Can a seemingly small thing like a journal entry actually save you tons of time and headaches in your accounting software? Stopwatch. If you're a user of Wave accounting, you know that keeping your books tidy is key. But what if there was a way to make common, repetitive transactions virtually disappear from your to-do list? We're talking about automatic logging of your journal entries. Think about the transactions you do every single month. Depreciation, amortization, accruals, or perhaps regularly recognizing deferred revenue. These are transactions that hit the same accounts for the same, or very similar, amounts, time and time again. Manually creating these entries month after month is not just boring. It's an open invitation for human error. The power of recurring journal entries. This is where Wave's feature for recurring journal entries steps in. Instead of entering the same debit and credit every month, you can set it up once, and Wave will handle the rest, automatically. It's like having a little bookkeeping robot face that wakes up on the first, or whatever day you choose, of the month, posts the entry, and then goes back to sleep. So, how do you set this magical time saver up in Wave? Setting up the automation. First, you need to navigate to the accounting menu and select Journal Transactions. Next, instead of just creating a single journal entry, look for the option to Make Recurring, or a similar setting. This is the crucial step. Here, you'll define the basics. The entry itself. Define the debit and credit accounts and the amount, just like a regular journal entry. For example, a $500 monthly depreciation expense might be a debit to depreciation expense and a credit to accumulated depreciation. The frequency. How often should Wave post this? Monthly, quarterly, annually? Select the appropriate cycle. The start and end dates. When does the automation kick off, and when should it stop? For something like a 5-year loan amortization, you can set the end date precisely 5 years from the start. Once you hit save, you're done. Wave will now automatically log this journal entry on your specified schedule. You'll see it appear in your general ledger, ready to go for the period. Why this matters for your business. This isn't just a convenient feature. It's a tool for accuracy and control. Consistency. Every entry is posted the same way, every time. No more miskeyed account numbers or swapped debits and credits. Audit readiness. Your books are closed out faster and more reliably at the end of each period, making life much easier when tax time or an audit rolls around. Receipt. Time back. By automating the tedious tasks, you free up your mind and time to focus on what really matters. Analyzing your financial reports and making smart business decisions. Harnessing the power of recurring entries in Wave means moving from reactive bookkeeping to proactive financial management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.